personally, I've tried a lot of keto cookie recipes and I've purchased a lot of keto cookies. These by far are top notch.
Hey y'all, my name's Nicole Burgess. Excited to bring you Perfect Keto's brand new product they just launched, which are their Perfect Keto cookies. They come in 2 flavors, which is the double chocolate and the chocolate chip. What I love about these so much is that they remind me of my prior keto days with those Chips Ahoy chewy cookies that were so delicious, and now I can get them without the guilt.
Most keto cookies taste just like erythritol and almond flour, and that's all I taste. These taste like regular cookies.
So as someone who has recently lost 108 pounds with a ketogenic lifestyle, treats like this make it so easy to stay on track.
They are loaded with high fat, low protein, good calories for my macros, and will keep me full and satiated throughout the evening until dinner.
For somebody like me who has portion control issues, they're perfectly portioned into the perfect sizes. They're soft, they're delicate, they're chewy. There's none of the telltale erythritol grit and cooling effect.
What I like most about these are the clean ingredients, the perfect macros, and the taste.
Now what I love is that they're soft, but they also hold up to the coffee dump.
The consistency is soft, chewy, and look at those chocolate chunks. Y'all just need to get them now. What are you waiting for?
Cookies are back.